Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in the channel, please like and subscribe my channel. In this video, we have to solve 50 more questions. Let's start. 679 question. Dust leak is a military exercise between India and which country? Uzbekistan. Which of the following actor will be honored by the International Federation of Film Archives on 19 March 2021? Amitabh Bachchan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently inaugurated Maitri Setu between India and which country through video conferencing? Bangladesh. In which state first forest medicine center has been opened recently? Uttarakhand. Which state has been ranked first among 112 most polluted sites in the country by Central Pollution Control Board? Odisha. Which country has recently banned wearing burqa in public places? Switzerland. Jan Aushadhi Day is celebrated on which of the following days? 7th March. Recently, which country has increased its defense budget by 6.8% to $209 billion? China. Recently, who has become the UN Assistant Secretary General? Ligia Norna. In the Ease of Living Index released by Government of India, which city has been ranked first among the cities with a population of more than 1 million? Bangalore. EPFO has decided to maintain rate of interest of employees' provident fund deposit at what percent during the year 2020 to 21? 8.5%. Recently, who will be honored with Bihari Award for the year 2020? Sareshta Mittal. Recently, India has sent the first red rice consignment to which country? Sorry. Sorry, this answer is Mohan Krishna Bora. Recently, India has sent the first red rice consignment to which country? America. Who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of the Champion and Veterans Committee? MC Mary Kom. After Yuvraj Singh of T20 international cricket, who has become the second player in the world hit 6 sixes in 6 consecutive balls? Pollard. Keon Pollard. Recently, In which city the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare inaugurated the second edition of Global Bio India 2021 through virtual medium? New Delhi. Which state has recently launched the country's first engineering research and development policy? Karnataka. Recently, which state government has approved the reservation for 75% youth of the state in private sector job? Haryana. What is the name given to it after the merger of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha TV? Known as Parliament TV. How many crore rupees has been approved by Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik for the scholarship of SC and ST students in the state? Rupees 101 crore. Who among the following has been appointed as the first Chief Executive Officer of Parliament TV? Ravi Kapoor. Who has recently received the Global Energy and Environmental Leadership Award? Narendra Modi. Where has the foundation stone of Mon Medical College has been laid recently? Nagaland. Who has recently written the book Because India Comes First? B. Ram Madhav. Recently, 2 cruise ships of Britain have been disbanded in which state of India? Gujarat. Recently, Arun Kumar Singh has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of which state? Bihar. Which country has recently launched space satellite Arctica M? Russia. Who will host the Hero India Women League 2020-21 recently? Odisha. Recently, the Indian Air Force has gifted a Heritage Elite 3 helicopter to the Air Force of which country? Bangladesh. Recently, who has been selected for Sahitya Akademi Fellowship? Velcheru Rao. Which state government has recently announced a ban on hookah bars? Jharkhand. Recently, which country's supermodel Natalia Vodianova has been appointed as the UN Goodwill Ambassador? Russia. Which country has recently celebrated its traditional Lantern Festival? China. Recently, Wales became the first state to implement PM Kisan Yojana, the fastest. Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following countries has successfully launched its first Arctic monitoring satellite? Russia. World NGO Day is celebrated on which of the following day? 27th February. Recently, which country from India has announced the agreement to establish a hotline between two countries? China. National Science Day is celebrated on which of the following days? 28th February. Which of the following state Government has announced to give Bharat Bharati Samman to senior literator Dr. Suryawala. Uttar Pradesh. Global Anti-Terrorist Watchdog Financial Action Task Force FATF has decided to keep which country in the grey list till June 2021? Pakistan. Zero Discrimination Day is observed on which of the following days? 1st March. The Archaeological Survey of India has discovered a Buddhist monastery buried under a moon near Juljul mountain in Sitamarhi hill of which state? Jharkhand. How many years has the Madhya Pradesh government cut the retirement age limit of contractual officer and employees? 3 years. Who among the following has been selected by US President Joe Biden for the International Anti-Corruption Champion Award? Anjali Bharadwaj. Which of the following countries has removed the ban on green card for professional people of the world including India? America. Which state has got the first place at the national level for betterment implementation of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana? Uttar Pradesh. Thank you, friend.